Hi, welcome to No Screen Time, Steam Time. I'm Bree.
And I'm Jeanne.
And today we are going to learn about density by creating a rainstorm in a jar.
What you're going to need today is shaving cream, food coloring, and some water. And we have ours in a jar here. You can use just a plastic cup, a drinking glass, whatever you have at home that works. You could even use a big jar if you wanted to make a bigger storm.
Just make sure it's clear.
Yes.
All right, and let's get started.
Okay.
Okay, so as you can see, we have our shaving cream and we're gonna go ahead and fill up our jars. I have a gel shaving cream.
And mine's a foam shaving cream. I'm gonna give it a little shake.
And as you can see, mine is a little more stringy, so I'm gonna put a lot in there to kind of make sure that I can form a good cloud.
Mine's making a big fluffy cloud.
Oh, nice.
Like that. All right.
Let's see. I think mine might fluff up a little bit. So with the gel one, you might want to wait a few minutes, maybe see if it rises a little bit, or try stirring it. And then maybe see if it fluffs up a little bit more. All right, so do we want to start adding our food coloring?
Okay.
So I'm gonna put mine in just small, random little droplets around. And let's see, oh.
I'm going to put a lot of food coloring in a few spots and we'll see if it makes a difference. Yours looks like it would be more dense, Bree, but
It looks like, yeah, it's going through really fast. So as you can see, all of mine are already falling through. So my cloud wasn't as dense. It looks like Jeanne's is taking a little bit longer to get through all the foam. So mine wasn't as dense, but the way clouds work is when rain gathers up into the clouds, when water gathers up, it gets so heavy that it starts falling back down. So that's what we were kind of testing. So we were seeing how heavy our clouds needed to get in order for the food coloring to fall through.
okay. And you can see mine has really started coming through now in some of these spots. A little bit here, some in the back. It looks really cool.
Yeah, it looks really, really pretty. I liked how stringy it looked. It was really pretty.
Yeah.
Okay, so that was a fun, quick experiment. As you can
was.
see, Jeanne's is still going.
Yes.
She has a
it's
little storm going on in there.
It's amazing.
And mine kind of stopped already. But it was fun to see, test out the different densities in our clouds and learn how rain starts dropping from clouds.
So you can use different shaving creams that you might have, find out for yourself which one is more dense. Use different colors, it makes it more fun.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye.